Located just outside of Montreal is the Transmag printing facility of Transcontinental Media, Canada's largest printer. In order to attract new customers while keeping up with the demands of printing some 65 weeklies and 2 dailies, Transcontinental is making a huge investment in new technology to replace its 40-year-old equipment.
We've been talking about this project for a couple of years, and last summer we took a final decision. It was probably the best decision for the company, for the interest of our company, for our growth. That also support our strategy.
The reason we made this investment really came from a request from the customer in terms of they want more flexibility, more color, better quality in the product that we give them. The investment we're making for the building is basically a new building that we're constructing beside our existing facility, approximately 97,000 square feet. It will be state-of-the-art building.
It's a major investment. Here we're talking about 60 million.
Transcontinental is purchasing a very exciting solution here for this project. The technology is the COLORMAN newspaper press, and that's our flagship product.
We were looking for a type of technology where we can, switch over very quickly, and manroland with the COLORMAN technology was definitely the best solution for us.
Well, it's just going to open up a whole new frontier for them. Certainly, the color opportunities for this machine are going to be much greater than those that they've been able to offer their customer base with their existing equipment. Finally, when you add on top of that the opportunities for the high gloss capabilities and semi-coated stocks with the UV, it's really going to be an exciting opportunity for them to launch new products for the customer base.
What we're getting from manroland is a CIC, common impression cylinder press, 8 towers, 3 folders. It'll be 100% color. We also have 1 tower that is UV, with the possibility of going to 3 towers UV.
With a maximum web width of 67.5 inches and a cutoff length of 22 inches, Transcontinental's 6.2 presses will be able to accommodate either 6, 5, or 4-page wide production. The system will be configured with 8 reel splicers and 3 255 folders. It's a system that will be able to produce 4 color tabloid products up to 192 pages in length.
I know that it's going to produce better images, more as like magazine images in the newspapers, which is something that doesn't exist at least for the Quebec market. So I think that that's something we could use to really go get new newspapers or new clients and produce amazing things for the clients.
Everything is almost presettable from the console, so really fast. Everything it's automatic during the run. All the ink will be done automatically. All the cutoff, all the registers, so everything is automatic. So that we are pretty excited.
We're going to be able to run to 90,000 copies per hour, which is very fast for us, which is very good.
The most challenging part of this project was developing the winning solution for our customer. They have a very unique business model in that they produce a great number of short-run products. With that, we've had to develop a solution that provides them absolute minimum amount of startup waste, so that gives them the best ROI on each one of these products.
When manroland first came in, they tried to understand our needs and understand where we wanted to go with this new equipment. Before addressing what kind of press we wanted to buy.
We're not looking just for the best price. We're looking for the best solution, and we were looking for flexibility. We were looking for a good company who is dedicated to his customer and fully supportive, and definitely the trust was there. And that's why we picked this company.
Well, manroland's approach to all projects is one of a collaboration between the partners with our customer base, as well as our offices here in North America and our home offices and factory in Germany.
manroland has assured us that they will be there to support us through the process, help us with the training, and they will be there for the installation and training of our people live on the equipment.
They have suggested to us as a training program. First, they're going to support the whole team. They're going to train our people for at least 10 months. pre-order the project by itself, and then they're gonna join us during the first 3 months of the production. So we're gonna have a full support from manroland teams about the development and the training of our people.
The thing that's important to understand is that the installation process doesn't begin when the equipment arrives. The production management process within our organization is very expansive, and project meetings are ongoing as we speak, and all of the nuances involved with not only this piece of equipment, but all of the auxiliary and supporting equipment, with the building parameters, all of the architectural considerations, that all has to flow through one centralized source of responsibility. So a project team combining our employees as well as employees of Transmag come together as one unified team to really manage this process from the time the contract is signed well beyond the time the press goes on edition.
At Transcontinental, we strongly believe in newspaper industry.
They've looked at every piece of competitive equipment in the marketplace, and I really believe that they will share my view that it's the partnership and the shared vision and the way that we came together to solve their business problems that made this the winning solution for them.
This investment for Transcontinental will mean that we can stay in the newspaper market. The newspaper market is a market that's under extreme pressure from other sorts of media, and this will help us keep the newspaper as a great competitor.
It's Transcontinental Media's goal to become North America's leader in newspaper printing outsourcing. We listened, we heard them, we responded with what they needed. And that's why they chose manroland. manroland, we are print.